We have seen that in two triangles, if the corresponding angles are equal, it is sufficient to prove similarity of these two triangles. Similarly, if the corresponding sides are proportional, again it is sufficient to say that the triangles would be similar. So I have two triangles with corresponding sides proportional. I can say that these two triangles will be similar. Now we had seen that if two triangles are similar, then this holds and this holds. That is, the corresponding angles would be equal and the corresponding sides are proportional. So this two holds. We have also seen that this alone is sufficient to prove similarity. Again, this alone is sufficient to prove similarity. Now, can a combination of these two work? Let us see. So we take one pair of proportional sides and we take the included angle between them. So we take AB equals AB by XY is equal to AC by XZ. So these are the two pair of sides which we take, and the included angle, which is angle A equals to angle X. So if a pair of corresponding sides and the included angle between them is equal, then also I can say that the triangles would be similar. Now let us try to prove this. We have that angle A is equal to angle D, and we also know that AB by DE would be equal to AC by DF. So this included angle and these sides are proportional. So we have this. What do we want to prove? That these two triangles, this condition is sufficient to prove similarity. So we want to prove that this triangle, the smaller triangle, is similar to this bigger triangle. So for that, let us first mark 2 points. I mark a point P on DE and I mark a point Q on DF, such that AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ. Now I join P and Q. So I get this. DP is equal to AB, AC is equal to DQ, and I join P and Q. So now this is what I have. Now let's look at these two triangles. So ABC and triangle DPQ. In these two triangles, what I see is that AB is equal to DP, one side, AC is equal to DQ, second side, and between these two sides, I have an angle that is equal. A is equal to D, which is given to me. This is given. These sides are equal because I made it so. That is by construction. So I have side, side, and angle, included angle. So I can say these are the three things which are equal in these two triangles, and hence I can say that the triangles are congruent by side, angle, side, side, angle, side. So these two triangles are congruent by SAS. Now what I know is this, that is AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. Let's write that down. Also, AB is same as DP and AC is same as DQ. So rather than writing this, I can substitute AB by DP. So I can write this as DP by DE. This would be equal to AC is equal to DQ. So rather than, instead of AC, I'll write DQ. So I get DP by DE is equal to DQ by DF. So this is what I get. Now, once I know that the ratio of the corresponding sides, are proportional, I can say that the lines would be parallel. So I can say that PQ would be parallel to EF. Why? Converse of BPT. Like BPT said, if lines are parallel, ratio of sides would be equal. Now if ratio of sides are equal, then I can say lines are parallel by converse of BPT, which is the basic proportionality theorem. So by converse of BPT, I have that PQ is parallel to EF. So now we want to prove that ABC, this smaller triangle, is actually similar to the larger triangle here, DEF. I already know, I have proved this, that these two triangles, ABC and DPQ, are congruent. I've also proved that PQ is parallel to EF. Now since these two lines are parallel, the angles would be the same. I can say angle DPQ would be equal to angle E. Corresponding angles, you can see that by an inverted F. You can spot an inverted F here. So these are the corresponding angles which will be equal. Again, I can see another F here. So what I can say is that this angle would be equal to this angle. So DQP would be equal to angle F. Why? Corresponding angles again. So I get this. So DPQ is equal to E and DQP is equal to F. So I get these two angles are equal because they are the corresponding angles. Now if I look in these two triangles, in triangle DPQ and triangle DEF, what do you see? A pair of angles equal, another pair of angles are equal. So this blue angle here, DPQ is equal to angle E and DQP is equal to angle F. So these two pair of angles are equal, and if two pair of angles are equal, I can say that the triangles would be similar by angle criterion. So I get that these two triangles are similar. I already know that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ. This is what I already know. If they are congruent, I can say that they would be similar. Since congruency implies similarity, I can say if ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ, then these two triangles would be similar also. And I've already proved that DPQ is similar to DEF. These two triangles are similar, I've already proved. Now I have triangle ABC similar to DPQ and triangle DPQ similar to triangle DEF. So 1 similar to 2, and this is the same triangle here, DPQ. 2 is similar to 3. So I can say that 1 would be similar to 3. That is, triangle ABC would be similar to triangle DEF. Triangle ABC would be similar to triangle DEF. And this is precisely what we wanted to prove. And hence we've proved this theorem. So now we can say if the ratio of the corresponding sides is equal and the angle between these sides is also equal, then I can say that the triangles would be similar by side angle side. By side angle side criterion, which is denoted as SAS. This angle has to be the included angle between the corresponding sides. Now, can you tell me whether these two triangles are similar or not? What I am given is AB, BC, two sides and one angle here. What I am given here is again two sides and one angle. I know to prove whether these two triangles are similar or not, it is sufficient to show if a pair of sides is proportional and one pair of angles which is included between the sides is equal. So let's see. I can say that AB by DE, AB by DE is equal to BC by EF. Why? Because AB is 5, DE is 3. So this is 5 by 3. This is also equal to BC, which is 5, EF, which is 3. So both of them are equal to 5 by 3. Hence these two are equal. With this, I also know that the angle which is included between them, that is angle B, is equal to angle E. Angle B and angle E are equal, which is 75 degrees each. So a pair of corresponding sides are proportional. The ratio is equal, 5 by 3, 5 by 3. The angle which is included between them is also the same, 75, 75. Hence I can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF by SAS, side, angle, side. And now let's look at one of its applications. So this is a pantograph. Pantograph was used much before photocopiers or Xerox machines were invented. This was used by people to make enlargements of images. So if this is an image and you want to make an enlargement of this image, a pantograph can be used. Let's see how can we use this pantograph. This end is fixed. This end of the pantograph is fixed. This end has a tracing pin and you have a pencil here. As you move the tracing pin along the figure, you get an enlargement which is drawn by the pencil itself. Let's see. So as you move the pin over the image, the pencil at the other end draws the enlargement of that image. So this is what a pantograph is. Let's label these points A, B, C, D, E. What you observe is that this figure which you've drawn, which is an enlargement, since it's an enlargement of this figure, only the shape is changing. So we can say that these are similar figures, only the shape is changing. How can I prove that it is similar? For that, I need to prove that this triangle, which is including this side BC, is similar to this triangle. So if this triangle is similar to the big triangle, the sides are proportional. I can say that BC and DE would be proportional. Now to prove these two triangles are similar, I know this pantograph is constructed in such a way that the ratio AB to AD is always equal to the ratio AC to AE. Note that BC, DE are the corresponding points of these similar images. You can take any 2 points here and the corresponding points in the image here and draw triangles. So this ratio is always the same, and we know that angle A is common to both. This small triangle has angle A, this large triangle also has angle A. This angle A is included between the sides that are proportional. So I can say that the two triangles are similar by side, angle, side. So by side, angle, side, I can prove that these two triangles are similar, and hence these sides are proportional. Sides of similar triangles are proportional. So DE is proportional to BC. So it's nothing but an enlargement of the side BC, and hence this is how similarity was used in pantograph.